One of your text images, you want to find the z-score for when the area to the left is 0.0222, and when the area to this right is 0.0222. So this is a whole lot like the problem I just worked for you. So you want this table 4 in the back of the book. You can use technology to answer this. So you know, we're wanting to find the z-score, which is given here. We're given the areas which are in here, and so you know, I already found 0.0222, and that corresponds to z-score minus 2.01. And so this area here, this z-score here, is minus 2.01. Well, you also want this z-score, and by symmetry, it's just going to be the opposite sign. You know, it's going to be positive 2.01. You know, this thing's symmetric about the mean. Hope that helps.